Tragedy has struck the Boko area as lightning incidents claim 2 lives and left 3 others injured. In 2 separate incidents, lightning instantly killed 2 individuals who were walking in their paddy fields. The victims have been identified as Nil Kamal Das, age 25, from Dilinga village, and Kamal Boro, age 40, from Puku Ripara village. Both were rushed to the Boko Primary Health Center, but doctors pronounced them dead on arrival.
পথাৰত খেতিৰ কামৰ কাৰণে গৈছিল তেওঁলোকে যাওঁতে হঠাৎ বজ্ৰপাত পৰি দুজনৰ গাত লাগিল এজন খিতাতে নিহত নীলকমল দাস তেখেতে ইতিমধ্যে মৃত্যুবৰণ কৰিছে জাগাতে আৰু গোবিন্দ দাসক ইতিমধ্যে বকো পিএছচিৰ পৰা জিএমচিলৈ প্ৰেৰণ কৰা হৈছে
আমাৰ গাঁৱত মানে পথাৰৰ মাজত মানে খেতিৰ কাম কৰি আছিল জেঠাটোও কাম কৰি আছিল আৰু এই ভাইটিটোও কাম কৰি আছিল বজ্ৰপাত পৰাৰ ফলত মানে সিহঁতে এটা হেৰিত আমাৰ তাতে সোলাৰ এখন আছে তাত জিৰণি লৈ আছিল জিৰণি লৈ থাকোঁতে তাৰমানে তাতে পৰিছিল পৰাতে সেনেকুৱাকৈ ইনজৰ হৈছে জেঠাটো আৰু ভাইটিটো তাতে তাৰমানে তাত নিহত হৈছে
3 others also sustained injuries in the strikes. They are 60-year-old Govind Das from Dilinga village, 15-year-old Rimpi Boro from Puku Ripara village, and Mamata Basumatri, 24-year-old from Narengapara village. All 3 were initially admitted to the Boko Primary Health Center. However, due to the severity of his injuries, Govind Das has been transferred to the Guwahati Medical College Hospital for advanced treatment. Rimpi Boro and Mamata Basumatri are currently receiving treatment at the Boko Primary Health Center. In response, Pritam Kalita, a field officer with the Assam State Disaster Management Authority, has visited the affected villages to assess the situation. He has assured the victims and their families that the state government will provide as much assistance as possible during this difficult time. News Desk, Hub News.